currently testing the adaptive cruise control on my Cadillac STS. So I'm set at 71 and this car is following the truck at less than 71 miles per hour or 71. Yeah, I could feel it accelerating, slowing down, which means that it's working. Probably because the track is probably big, that's why I could sense it. But sometimes it doesn't actually really work on like white cars in front of me. Sometimes it will just like go straight ahead, so that's why you have to like very be careful about using this adaptive cruise control, because it's not really that accurate. So right now it's like 65 miles per hour. I think the truck is like slowing down in front of me. Now it's going, now it's speeding up, slowing down. Yep, and I could see it on my heads-up display. Pretty cool. Setting the cruise 76.